Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earphones. Friends we have got this neckband Bluetooth earphone and friends you want to pair with your Poco phone. So friend, how can you pair and friend, how can you use guys your Bluetooth pair setting in this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys we will phone our phone setting, and when first of all guys turn on your earphones. So I have on already, so guys turn on your earphones, then guys scroll it friends, you will have to enable your phone Bluetooth setting. So we will click on Bluetooth setting guys. You can enable and disable your phone Bluetooth setting from here guys. And first of all we will refresh guys. After guys refresh, you can see your available device setting. Available device guys, you can see guys your earphone name. I have got this ubon company Bluetooth earphone. I will tap here my earphone name guys. You can see this pairing. Friends, you can see your pair request in your Poco phone here guys. Wait here guys. Friends, you can see block, cancel and pair guys. We want to pair, tap here to pair. Then it will pair to your phone guys. You can use while watching movies, cartoons, listening song guys. You can use your Bluetooth earphones. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.